Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. And today we are going to be doing our 250 subscriber giveaway. So let's jump right on into it. So at 250 subscribers, we announced that we were going to be doing a giveaway. So if you do not see your name on this list here, there are two reasons why. Number one, you did not subscribe before 250. So you were either 251 up to however many subscribers we have now. Or number two, your subscribers, like who you subscribe to, isn't public. If you don't have on public subscriptions, I cannot see that your name is subscribed to me. All I can see is that, there is somebody who is subscribed. So the only way that I know how right now to do these giveaways with subscribers is to just pull the name off of YouTube for public subscribers. So the winning item on the poll is the Vehicle First Aid Kit. So seems to be pretty popular. That was it on the last giveaway. If you want to vote, we're doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. If you want to vote on what we're going to be giving away, that poll is up on my channel now. So just go in between now and the time we get to 500. Put your choice in for what you want to be for the giveaway, and we'll do that at 500. So let's get this spun right now. So once again, these are the names on the subscriber list, and we will get a spin. If you win, I will try and contact you via any contact information that you have in your channel. I'll comment on a video of yours, or I'll also tag you in here, and you can just send me an email at georgiazr2info@gmail.com. All right, so let's see who our winner is for our 250 subscriber giveaway. And it looks like Chad Cranatz. Congratulations, we have a winner. So Chad, just reach out to me, or I'll try and reach out to you, or you can also send me an email as well, and we'll get that Vehicle First Aid Kit sent out to you. Hopefully we can get it to you this week. And thank you so much, Chad, and everybody else for watching the channel. And let's look at our 500 subscriber giveaway. Let's get to it as fast as possible, and we'll do another one of these. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.